the sunrise glow. Feet on the ground, I'm ready to go. There's a call deep inside I can't ignore.